How can I prevent my dog or cat from getting mango worms?
Hello there, pet owners. Today we're tackling a pesky problem that can potentially affect your furry friends, mango worms. These parasites are not only uncomfortable for your pet but can also cause health complications. Let's dive into how you can prevent these creepy crawlers from causing harm to your beloved dog or cat.
What are mango worms?
Mango worms, also known as Cordylobia anthropophaga, are a type of fly larva common in certain parts of the world, particularly in Africa. They can infest the skin of mammals, including dogs and cats, and cause a condition known as cutaneous myiasis. When the larvae penetrate the skin, they can create painful lesions and lead to secondary infections.
How can pets get infected?
Pets usually get infected when they come into contact with contaminated soil or sand, especially where an infected female mango fly has laid her eggs. These eggs can hatch into larvae which then penetrate the skin of your pet. It's important to note that the larvae can survive in the soil for extended periods, so even seemingly clean areas can harbor mango worms.
Preventative measures.
Keeping a clean environment prevention is the best cure, and with mango worms, this involves keeping your pet's environment clean. Regularly clean your pet's living area and the places they frequent. This might mean regular yard cleaning, bedding washing, and general pet hygiene practices. Avoid known infested areas if you live in or travel to areas known for mango worm infestation. It's best to avoid areas where mango worms might thrive. This could be sandy soil, under trees, or in the wild where animals have died or given birth. Regular vet checks, regular checkups with the vet can also help in the early detection and treatment of mango worms. Vets can provide appropriate treatment options and preventative measures tailored to your pet's needs.
Treatment.
If your pet has been infested with mango worms, it's crucial to get veterinary treatment immediately. Treatment usually involves manual extraction of the larvae and treating the wounds to prevent secondary infections. Remember, do not attempt to remove the worms yourself as it can lead to complications. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding more about mango worms and how to protect your beloved pets from them. Remember, a clean environment and regular vet checks are the best line of defense against mango worms. Stay vigilant, and here's to the health and happiness of our furry friends.